who've said that they saw 60 to 70 bodies. Could that number, the last official count that you've just given us, 26, could there be more hostages killed, or could that number rise? Are there any missing? And then a second question, they've described scenes where hostages were matched up with their IDs to check if they were military personnel or army soldiers. By your count, how many of the hostages killed were army personnel or military personnel?
As I told you earlier, the total casualties so far are 26. The question that whether this casualty figure can rise, of course, because out of the 354, the hostages that have been recovered alive, 37 are injured out of this 354. Okay? So 26 shaheed, 354 who have been recovered, out of that 37 are injured. Of these 26 shaheed, the 18 passengers were from Army and FC. And 3 were from the railway and other department. And civilians, the remaining 5. So these are the count of the division of this 26. Other than that, we had operational casualties which were not part of the train. As I said earlier, there were 3 FC soldiers who embraced shahadas once their picket was attacked. And 1 FC soldier of Ghazaban Scout embraced shahadat on the morning of 12th. Once they took the shot, they sniped at these terrorists, and because of that the opportunity was given for the innocent passengers, part of them who managed to get away. So in the retaliatory fire, one of our FC soldier of Ghazaban Scouts, he embraced shahada, and 1 FC soldier who was part of the duty on this train, he also embraced shahada. So we have so far 5 operational casualties. So I hope this gives you the numbers as of which today. As far as that, is there any soldier, if there any passenger who is still hostage? So I have given you in detail that we have been watching this train from the right, from the point go, and at no point they took any hostages group out into the mountain in their hideouts. All the passengers that were on the train, they were either on the train or just outside. And they went out in 3 groups. One which was set free by them because of their deceptive perception maneuver that they wanted to extend, and on the ethnic profiling that they did. The second is on the morning of 12th March, which managed to run away once the FC sniped at them and provided an opportunity to run away. And the third was once the final clearance operation was done. And as you have seen also from the visuals that we have shown you, that once this operation happened, because of the large number, they ran away in multiple directions. And it is taken time for people to start gathering and contacting with their loved ones and families.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।